Welcome to iCals Digital Solutions YouTube channel. Today, we're going to learn how to shade columns alternately. Here's how to do it in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Select the range of columns you want to shade alternately. Step 2. Go to the Home tab on the Excel ribbon and click on Conditional Formatting in the Styles group. Step 3. Choose New Rule from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Step 5. Enter this formula in the formula box. I have given this formula in first comment box. Step 6. Click on the Format button. You can choose a different fill color, font color, or any other formatting option you prefer. Step 7. Once you're satisfied with the formatting, click OK to apply the conditional formatting rule. And that's it. Now your data will be easier to read and more visually appealing. I have given downloadable link of this work file in description box. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy Excel-ing!